Hi CSS, it's Katie Costco here, one of the dietetic interns. In today's video, we'll be making a delicious chicken cacciatore recipe using our very own slow cookers. This super tasty recipe calls for a few special ingredients. Let's go over what you'll need. You'll be making this recipe in the crock pot. To make chicken cacciatore, you'll need chicken thighs, peppers, onions, zucchini, mushrooms, marinara sauce, and garlic. That's it! Now that we reviewed what's necessary to put this tasty meal together, let's get to work. First, let's add a clean cooking liner into our crock pot. This will ensure no mess left behind and make our cleanup process much easier. After the cooking liner is placed, add in the chicken thighs. You'll then want to throw in all the vegetables. In your crock pot, add the peppers, zucchini, squash, onions, and mushrooms. Add in the garlic, and with a spoon, mix all the ingredients together. Next, you'll want to pour a jar of marinara sauce over all ingredients. Secure the lid to the slow cooker and set on the low heat setting and cook for 4 hours. After 4 hours, serve chicken cacciatore over mashed potatoes. Now that we've reviewed the step-by-step process of putting this recipe together, let's see it in action. You can see here Conrad placing a clean cooking liner into the crock pot, ensuring that the whole thing is covered. After the cooking liner has been placed, you can see Conrad going ahead to add the chicken thighs. It's now time to add all of the vegetables. You can see Conrad going ahead step by step, adding in the mushrooms, squash, zucchini, peppers, and onions. Adding in a variety of different vegetables is a great way to add an abundance of color to a nutritious meal. Next, you'll see Conrad going ahead to pour a whole jar of marinara sauce over all of the ingredients. It's now time to mix everything together. Taking your spoon, you want to do just as Conrad and Janice are doing. They're doing a great job ensuring all ingredients are mixed well and evenly covered with the sauce. Place the lid on the slow cooker, secure the sides, place on the low heat setting, and cook for 4 hours. After 4 hours, you should have yourself a super delicious chicken cacciatore. To make it extra tasty, serve over mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching. I hope you're all excited to give this recipe a try in your new slow cookers.